Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on Senior School Certificate Examination 2025 NECO General Mathematics Paper 2. With us here is question 4. Let's consider this question 4. The table below shows the distribution of marks scored by 60 students in an examination. We have the table here. We are asked to calculate and correct to two decimal places the mean and the variance. This question carry 8 marks. Let's consider this question together. Very important. Let's find the mean, and this is grouped data because we have the mark, which is 1 to 10, that's the class interval, 11 to 20 in that order with their respective frequency. So, of course, this is from statistics under grouped data. Let's write down the solution and tabulate this. That's solution to Roman numerals 1 now. Let's first find the mean. We have our marks as we have marks now as 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, then 41 to 50. Then the next thing for us to do is to find the midpoint, which is going to be our x value now. So let's find the midpoint. Midpoint, which is our x value now. Our midpoint is our x value. Then we have the frequency now. Then we have, of course, f of x for mean. Then for variance, we'll add some columns. But to find the mean, this we need 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Very important. And to find the midpoint, we add 1 plus 10, we find the average. Like 1 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 11 divided by 2. That will be 5.5. Then we add 20 to 11. That will, of course, that will be 31. Then we divide 31 by 2. That will be 15.5. Then we add, you can see that it's increasing by 10. We add 10 to 15.5. That will be 25.5. Next will be 35.5. Then 45, of course, 0.5. Let's check. 31 plus 40 divided by 2, of course, it will be 35.5. Then 51 divided by 2, that will be 25.1. Then 31 by 2 is 15.5. So their respective frequency is 8, 10, 8, 22, then 2. To find fx now, we multiply 5.5 times 8. We have 44. We have 44 as our first fx. 15.5 times 10, that will be 155. And then 25.5 times 8, that will be 204. Then 35.5 times 22, that will be 781. Then 45.5 times 2, that will be, of course, 91. So this is our fx. 45.2.5 rather, we multiply it by 12. Sorry, here is supposed to be 12. The last frequency is 12. Multiply by 12. What are we going to get? Times 12. That will be 546 is 12. The frequency is 12. 41 to 50, the frequency is 12. So this is our fx. And mean of group data now is summation fx divided by summation f. So we have to sum our fx. Let's add. We have 546 plus 78 plus 204 plus 155 plus 44. We'll have 1027. Then summation fx now is 60. So if we divide it by 60, what are we going to get? Let's still check. Uh, let's check from the question the frequency 8, 10, 8, 22, then 12. Let's add 35.5 times 22, 781. This is 781. Then let's add to 546 plus 204 plus 155 plus 44. That's the summation supposed to be 1730. This is now our x bar. So x bar, which is the mean now, we divide it by 60. That will be 28.8333. The question says to two decimal places now, the mean x bar now will be 28.83 to 2 dp. So this is the solution to Roman numerals 1. Let's get the variance. To get the variance, we need another table. Permit me to clean the question so that we can add another table or columns rather. So to get variance, let's write down the formula for variance of grouped data. Variance is given as summation f into x minus x bar all square divided by summation f. So we need a column for x minus x bar. Let me put it here. We need column for x minus x bar, then x minus x bar all square. And the last one now, let me take the formula up. Variance v is summation fx into minus x bar all square divided by summation fx. So we need f into x minus x bar all square. So this the column, we need additional 3 columns to this table, whereby we'll get our x minus x bar. So our first x is 0.5 minus, we use the 4 decimal now, minus 28.8333. What are we going to get? 5.5 minus 28.833. We'll get minus 23.3333. Next, 15.5 minus the same x bar, which is 28.8333. Get minus 13.3333. Next, 25.5 minus 28.833. We'll get minus 3.3333. The next one now, 35.5 minus 28.8333. We'll get 6.6667. The last one, 45.5 minus 28.8333. We'll get 16.667. So the next thing is we take the square root now. That's 23.333. We square it, the negative, it will turn to be positive. 544.44 4429 approximately. 4429. Next, 13.33, we square it, we'll get 177.7769. Next, 3.33, we square it, that will be 11.110 9 approximately. Then we have 6.6667. 7, we square it, we have 44.4449 approximately. 16.667, we square it, that will be 277.7789 approximately. The next thing for us to do is to multiply this by the frequency now to get the last column now. So 544.4429 times the frequency 8 will get 355.5432. Next, the frequency 10 now, that's 177.7769 times 10 will get 1777.769. The next one, the frequency is 8, that will be 11.1109. The frequency is 8 now, times 8 will get 88.8872. Next, the frequency is 22, that's 44.4449 times 22 will get 977.7878. The last one is 12, that's 277.7789 multiplied by 12, that will be 3.3468. The next thing for us to do is to find summation f into x minus x bar all square. What will be the summation? Let's add plus 977.7878 plus 88 let's still add 3333.3468 plus 977.7878 plus 88.8872 plus 177.769, then plus 435.5432. We'll get 10533.334. So to find the variance now, we divide this number by summation f. So let's take it up. 105.334 divided by 60. What are we going to get? Divided by the frequency, summation of our frequency, which is 60. We'll get 75.5556 to 2 dp. It will be 175.56. So this is said to be the variance to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ Smart's Clinic for more interesting videos. See you in my next video.